Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. If you're joining me for the first time, my name is Chef Fran. But first, give me a virtual hug by hitting the subscribe button. And in return, I will give you a new recipe every week. So if you need a morning pick-me-up, you gotta try this hazelnut espresso. You are going to love it. I love it, and it definitely wakes me up. So let's make it. Let's make a hazelnut espresso smoothie. Let's make our hazelnut espresso smoothie. So I have just some plant-based milk in here, almond milk. You could use whichever milk you like. I'm adding some of our sweetener here, which is, it already has a sugar included, which is our hazelnut creamer. We're gonna add a capful of pure vanilla extract in here. Now we're adding our vanilla yogurt. You can add whichever yogurt of your choice that you like in here. So we're gonna add just a little cinnamon, give it a nice little touch to our hazelnut. And we're going to add our brown sugar, a spoon and a half, 2 spoons. It is espresso coffee, it can be bitter. So, okay, now we're gonna add a scoop of collagen. You can use whichever protein powder you like. Just love the collagen because it's great for your hair, nails, and skin. And we are going to add our oatmeal. Gotta get your fiber in here. It also helps to thicken your smoothie, but mostly for the benefits of it having your fiber. So I have 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3.5. A little oatmeal never hurt anyone. So here's our espresso. I made the espresso and I froze it. So it's now coffee balls, coffee espresso balls. Oh my gosh, it smells so great. Here we go. Here's our vitamin content. So now we are going to blend our hazelnut espresso smoothie. Okay, so we are pouring our hazelnut espresso smoothie. And here are a list of ingredients. Okay, so our resident taste tester is here, and he's gonna taste our hazelnut espresso smoothie. Come on, G, tell me.
Let's see. Well, definitely tastes like coffee. You know, you can definitely taste a little bit of hazelnut in there. It adds a nice little bit of sweetness, and then the espresso, you can taste it there faintly. It's not too strong, but it's not too not strong. So overall, if I was having this in the morning, it would definitely wake me up, and it's a very tasty, refreshing smoothie at the same time.
All right, let me see if she's right or not, because we can't agree to disagree or just disagree. Definitely taste the hazelnut, and I love hazelnut. So if you're not a hazelnut lover, you can always use vanilla. You taste it, he's right. You definitely taste the espresso, but it's not like overpowering. So if you're a person that likes strong coffee, you may want to add a little bit more. But if you're a person that just likes coffee and you can take it in moderation, this is for you. Well, want to feel the tropics, want to have the taste of the tropics? Let's make some Pina Colada Smoothie. You heard me. Pina Colada Smoothie. Virgin though. All right, so I'm going to add some coconut milk here. Pineapple. I'm going to add some cream de coco. It's going to give it that nice sweetness taste. I'm going to put a frozen vanilla yogurt ball in here. And I'm going to add, for a little thickness and health, some oatmeal. 3 tablespoons of oatmeal. Oh, 3.5. A little bit of ice here. Just a little ice. Here's our vitamin content. Well, here's our Pina Colada Smoothie. Look how nice and thick and creamy that looks. Nice and creamy and thick. Yum. And we're gonna top it with some toasted coconut. And here are a list of ingredients. Well, Gio's our resident taste tester, and he's going to taste the pina colada and let us know how good it tastes. Because it sure smells good. G, taste for us and let us know how it is.
Well, tastes exactly like how you would expect a pina colada to taste on a hot summer day, you know.
Well, I can't wait to try this. Well, I have to tell you, I had to take another sip because this just tastes just like you are having a pina colada on the beach. Doesn't it, Gio?
Yeah.
So, this is non-alcoholic. I don't know if people put alcohol in their smoothie, but it tastes just like, you know, the thing that you would actually get like at a restaurant or wherever. It's not overly sweet though. That's the only thing. It's not as sweet because, you know, when you have frozen fruit, the natural sweetness of the fruit kind of dies down from the ice that's in it. But it's just perfect for Gio and I. So if you find that it's not as sweet, you could put like, you know, other things to kind of sweeten it of your preference that you may like. But it's perfect for us. And if you want to put alcohol in it, honey, you're grown. You do what you want if that's what you do. But Gio can't drink yet, so, and I don't drink either, so this is a great pina colada. So make this and let me know how it worked out for you, and come back and hang out with us in our next video. And remember, be good to yourself, and God bless you.
A twist on boring salads is your ultimate guide to creating sensational salads that will leave your taste buds begging for more. Imagine having a different, delicious, and creative salad for every day of the month while you transform your salads into a culinary adventure. But that's not all. Chef Fran Glover has something for every meal and love in every bite. Whether you're looking for appetizers to impress your guest, breakfast options to jumpstart your day, satisfying lunch and dinner recipes, delectable desserts, or even dishes for those following a vegetarian or keto lifestyle, this cookbook has it all.